Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to turn on dark mode on your Instagram app, then this video is helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can enable dark mode on your Instagram application very easily. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application and then click on profile picture on the bottom right corner. After that, you have to click on three horizontal lines on top right corner and then click on settings and privacy. After that, scroll down and find the option of your apps and media. Here you can see accessibility. So click on it and here you can see dark mode option. Click on it and here you can turn on or turn off your dark mode. As we want to turn on dark mode, so click on. You can see our dark mode on Instagram has been enabled. So guys, in this way you can enable your dark mode on Instagram application very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.